Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another video. Today is going to be an all day clean with me. I cleaned up my house all day. I did laundry, I went to the grocery store, I made dinner. It was a very long day, but at the end of this day, I was so satisfied with my house. It was so clean. It smelled so good because I lit this new candle that I got. I forgot where I got this candle, but it is a cranberry scent and I just love it because I love the Christmas and the fall scent. Oh my gosh, you guys. But I hope you guys enjoy this video. If you do, leave it a thumbs up and let's go ahead and get into the cleaning. So here I am starting in my bedroom. I always start in my bedroom. I don't think I've ever started in any other room unless I am doing something specifically in that room. But I feel like my room becomes a catch-all, especially when my husband gets home. You know, there's stuff everywhere. And then when I come home from shopping, I always bring everything into my bedroom. So I feel like it just becomes the catch-all for everything. So I always start in this room and it just makes my way around the house so much easier. All right, guys, this room is clean. It smells so good in here. But I've given up on this side of the room because I just don't know where my husband is going to put all these things. We already figured out some things under the bed, so that's perfectly fine. But these are like cables and just things that he has to go through, and he just has not found the time. Oh my goodness. So I've pretty much given up on this. So I'm just going to focus on this side. Everything is pretty much done here. So I was debating whether I should move this ottoman over here to just put something right here, but I don't know if I want to do that today. I don't really have time to kind of like play around with the room. I just wanted to get everything clean because I think my next video, I might be taking all the fall stuff down. I haven't really decided. I wanted to leave all my fall stuff for Thanksgiving because we are hosting Thanksgiving, but I don't know, I kind of want to get Christmas stuff out. So I just want to clean up right now. So if and when I decide to do Christmas things, I don't know if I want to do that this week. I'll just be ready for it. If I do bring it down, let's say tomorrow, I can maybe organize a few things, but I'm just not sure yet. Okay, so this bag right here, Home Goods, I think I've taken down to my car. This bag is more Christmas stuff that needs to go in my closet. Y'all do not want to look at my closet right now. And this right here, oh, my camera. I'm using my phone to film and my camera just, I think, died, the battery. But, so that basket has to go into the kids' room. And this is what I just took off my bed. I have to go wash that. And then I think I'm going to jump in here, which I really don't want to, but definitely needs, I got to pick up in here. And my closet, you guys, you know what, let me just show you because, you know, it's real stuff, right? So, and here is, as you can see, just the big ginormous mess that we have here. I have sports bras laying, shirts, and oh gosh, but this is my closet, you guys. I'm kind of scared to wave my hand in here because, you know, there's motion sensor light. So here is my closet. Yay. It is a ginormous mess. I just don't know what to do in here. I've been telling my husband that I want to get rid of all this and do like custom built-ins because this is just not functioning for me at all. So this is what this looks like, just giving you a little peek here. But we are going to go and clean up in here because definitely needs some cleaning. So let's go ahead and do that.
Could
All right, this is done. The floor is wet, but I'm gonna go and take that basket into my stepkids' room. This is all my stuff that has to go into the laundry, and my stepkids' room is there. It's already cleaned. I cleaned that Sunday, but I'm not gonna put that in the video because somehow the white balance or the ISO got, I don't know, just changed on the camera, and the image or the color quality of the video just looks horrendous, and just editing it was going to be a little bit too much, so I decided to omit that. But I'm going to go ahead and grab this basket and go into their room.
In the night, I'll make it worth your while. We won't hide in the crowd. Just stay with me.
All right, guys, and here is what I do. I empty out their basket, put all their clothes on their bed, and when they get back to us the following Friday, they go ahead and put up their clothes. I do this with every kid because I am not a maid, and they're old enough to put up their own clothes. So I do wash it for them, put them in the dryer, and do this. I do the same thing with my son. Now, for the most part, my son washes his own clothes and dries them and puts them up. But if he is like on a weekend with his dad and I'm filming a cleaning video for that purpose, I will go ahead and wash his clothes, dry them, put him back in his room on the bed, and he has to put it up when he gets back. But I don't put up anybody's clothes except mine and my husband. The kids are old enough to do it themselves, and it teaches them some responsibility. So that is it for this room. I think I might head into my son's room or their bathroom. I'm not quite sure which one I want to do. I still have the living room to do as well. I think I'm going to swing in this bathroom and tidy that up, and then possibly go in my son's room, but I might wait. He is actually going to his dad's this weekend, so I might wait for him to go to his dad's, and then I can go ahead and change out his beds or his sheets. That way when he gets back, he has clean sheets. But this right here, this came out of this room in here, so I'm gonna go ahead and wash these, and then that's their dirty clothes. So see, I do wash their clothes, so that's another load I'm gonna have to wash and then put here. That way they're gonna have a lot to put up when they get back. But let's go ahead and continue.
Just to get close to you. This
kitchen is done. Everything is done, but I did want to share this with you guys, which I'm going to wash all this stuff. I don't think I'm going to include it in the video, but I'll just go ahead and show you. So I got all this stuff off of, well, not all of this. This I got off of Amazon. These are donut pans, and I got these because my son likes to bake things, and then I also like to make keto desserts, and I don't know, just figured good thing to have. I got these little cute things. It's a dirty and clean magnet for the washing machine or the dishwasher, so it lets the kids know or anybody know whether it's clean or dirty. So it has a clean and dirty side. I got these cutting boards at HomeGoods, and I wanted the flexible ones because whenever I chop up things like onions, I want to be able to scoop it into my mason jar, like when I meal prep or food prep. And then I ended up getting these cutting boards. I got this one for, how much was this? This was at HomeGoods for $4.99. And I got this Farberware brand, a set of 3 for $7.99. And then this came off of Amazon. It is a fresh keeper. And I wanted to go ahead. I've seen a lot of other YouTubers use these and they look very convenient. So they have like this holds 2, so I can put maybe like grapes and strawberries, or blueberries and strawberries, or whatever the case may be. But I want to try these, and I'll link these down below. I can't link obviously the HomeGoods stuff, but I definitely can link these. But I think this was the cutest thing I purchased so far. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that. I'm not going to show you, or I'm not going to show it me washing this stuff and putting it up because there's really no point, but I just wanted to show you what I got. All right guys, so let me share this grocery haul. I ended up going to Publix really quick because I needed some things for dinner, but I ended up getting these chicken nuggets. I think these are like the best ever. Some sour cream, some pineapple, and a cereal for the kids, and then our bubblies, which everyone loves to drink these now. And this one, this Spindrift, I have never tried it before, and the reason I think I haven't tried it is because I think there's some sort of, not sugar, but there's something in it that the rest of these do not have. But my husband wanted to try it, so I grabbed that. And then of course, salad. I just love these because these are easy, convenient, especially when I work a 12-hour shift. I just grab one of these. Eggs, and then I got this because I wanted to try it with cauliflower rice, so see how that comes out. This is the pasta that I eat, and well, my husband and I eat, yeah, because it's no carbs. Then of course some cheese, some garlic bread for everyone else tonight, and then their Eggo waffles for breakfast, and that is it. So I'm gonna go ahead and put all this stuff up, and then I'm gonna start on dinner. I don't know if I'm gonna include that in this video, but we're gonna have, well, they're gonna have spaghetti, and then we're gonna have it too, but we're gonna have, me and my husband are gonna have it with, well, not this. I do have another one in the fridge. This is fettuccine. I've never seen these before, so I picked up this one, but we use a spaghetti one, and that's already in the fridge. So let's go ahead and put all this stuff up. I think that this mini fridge is the best investment that we have made so far in this house. I just love it because it frees up a lot of space in that refrigerator. Our refrigerator gets so packed with so much, especially with the kids' snacks and then leftovers. Just imagine all these cans in the refrigerator along with all that. Oh my gosh, it was a headache. So I am so glad that we bought this. We also purchased a freezer, which I think I showed you guys in my last couple of videos. It is actually sitting outside in our porch, and that is what I'm doing. I am emptying out this and throwing away things that we don't need, and then I'm putting bigger things in the freezer that is out on the porch. And here I am making dinner, and I'm making my own spaghetti sauce. My husband does not like the jar marinara or the Alfredo sauce, so I typically make my own homemade. The only time we do have those is just in case for backup. If I am working a 12-hour shift or my husband gets called in and the kids are home, then they can easily just make themselves spaghetti, which is typically what their go-to if we're not home. And they just go ahead and open up that jar and heat up the sauce, and that is it, because I don't want them actually making this from scratch because it is just too difficult for 14-year-olds and 13-year-olds to do that kind of stuff. So I always keep something on hand like that for them. But every time I'm home and I'm making any sort of pasta with any type of sauce, I typically make it from scratch. Alright guys, and this was my last task of the day, oh my gosh, the laundry, which I completely hate laundry, but I ended up doing the towels and then my husband's clothes from his kayaking trip, which you'll see in the beginning when I start folding things in his basket that I put the basket down on the floor. That is because one of his pair of pants, I don't know, I unfolded it and like a little bit of sand came out, which is pretty typical when he goes kayaking, but it wasn't all over the clothes. But I was kind of scared. I didn't want sand on my bed, so I ended up putting the basket on the floor. And then after I was done, I went ahead and vacuumed. But that is it for this video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, leave it a thumbs up. And if you are new, do not forget to subscribe. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.